Good day YouTube, hope you're doing well. Here another video for Master Electro Fix. We have another device here, it's an Asus, and we have an issue with the power. That laptop is totally dead, no power at all. So which model is that? We have, okay, here's the model, X543B. So together, we check and see if we can fix that laptop. So first, together, we're gonna check if our charger is providing the power needed. Here, you can see we have 90.3 volt, right? So we have 90 volt. So 19 volt, let's plug. When we plug, normally with this model, we're supposed to have a light right here, somewhere here between, yeah, here. And here it's for the battery when it's charging, but we have nothing. And if you press the power button, nothing at all. So without further ado, let's think into the laptop. We're gonna open up. $19 coming from the charging port, go to the first side of the inductor, going to the other side, and then we have our first MOSFET. Then our first MOSFET passing the power, we have our second MOSFET, and then we have a current sensor. So what I want to do is to check where my voltage is going. Okay, here it is. So first I will check the first MOSFET from the inductor first. The inductor on the other side. So on the other side to the MOSFET we have our 19 volt. If I check the first side, the source of the first MOSFET, we have 19 volt. If I check the other side, I don't have anymore the 19 volt. And then if I check the gate, I have nothing at the gate. So we have something going on here. So I can unplug and let's go back into it. So here we are. So as I was saying, so what I check the inductor, the other side of the inductor. Here I have the 19 volt. Here I have my 19 volt. Now and then I check here, I don't have my 19 volt anymore. And when I check the gate here, of course I won't have my 19 volt since there is no voltage passing through. So of course if we don't have 19 volt here, we don't even need anymore to go here, because the 19 volt cannot reach here. Okay, if the gate is not getting the voltage, it cannot pass through the other gate here to have it the other side. So there is something going on in between those two MOSFET. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check if we don't have any short. So here you can see I put it in the diode mode. So if you see here, this is continuity. So first we must know that from here to here I mustn't have any continuity. That's good. That's good. I have no continuity. From the source to the gate I mustn't have any continuity. I don't. And then from here to the first MOSFET gate I mustn't have any continuity. And I do. I mustn't have continuity here, but I do have continuity. So meaning there is an issue with one of the MOSFET. And if I can guess, wait, hey, and then yeah, that's what I wanted to say. That's the one, because even here to the other side we have continuity. It mustn't be connected. So this one is the issue. And since the gate of the second MOSFET is connected to the gate of the first MOSFET, that's why this one presenting faulty, but this is the one faulty. Look at this. That's the gate here. Here the gate. See? So that one is faulty. So we're gonna go under the microscope and we're gonna work on it. Here. Let's check together again. Here. Yeah, we have continuity. And then this one, and we have continuity. And with the gate, we have continuity. So my guess is this MOSFET is faulty. So we gonna change this MOSFET and then test it again, and we're gonna take it from there. So here we go. We change it, and now we're ready for test. Okay. I have a multimeter. First, before we had the continuity on the photo MOSFET that change, so we're going to take it now. Here. No more. To the gate. No more. And then if we check here to the gate, good. Okay, now we put everything together. It's time to test. So here my charger and I see a light. I see a light. That's the good news. Before we couldn't have a light. Let's just keep it closed. I don't want anything to be messed again. So here we have a light. That's the power. That's the battery light showing that it's charging. So now let's try to turn it on. And voila. And voila. And we have our two lights on. Can you see? We have the two lights on. So the battery charging. You can see here 3%. Alright. So now I'm gonna turn off and turn on again just to see. Let's turn on again. And it's a win. Here another win. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps someone. If you can also help me by subscribing, sharing my channel, that will be really appreciated. See you.